A pronoun is a word that is used in noun. I, you, she, it, we, they. I is used when we talk about ourselves. I am happy. You is used when we talk about you. You are my friend. Yes, I am your friend. He is used when we talk about a boy or a man.
This is Amit. Amit is sad. We can use a pronoun instead of his name. Now it says, he is crying.
She is used for a girl or a woman. Ria is playing. We can change Ria to she. We use she instead of Ria. We use it when we talk about an animal or a thing. Just like my cute puppy. It is so much fun.
Kitty is a pet cat. Kitty is playing. We use a pronoun instead of the name. It replaces Kitty.
Hello, friends. Do you know when to use we? We use it when we talk about us.
Raj and I like to play football. We like to play football.
Friend, and that is his brother. They is used when we talk about them. Now you know how to use it.
Tina and Sarah like to play badminton. We can use a pronoun instead. They replaces Tina and Sarah. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share.
Like, subscribe,
Comment, share.